Check for solutions. Inequalities. Tell whether 3 is a solution for the inequality. And you're given 2x plus 7 is less than 19. And you're also given 4x minus 10 is greater than 5. So I want you to take a second and try to calculate this for yourself. Try to figure this out. If you get stuck, here are a couple steps to help you along the way. Number 1, plug in the given value and simplify. So our given value is a 3. Let's take 3 and plug it into the variable. Plug it in for x, and you get 2 times 3 plus 7 is less than 19. Further simplifying, you've got 6 plus 7 is less than 19. 6 plus 7 gives you 13. 13 is less than 19. And let's check off step 1 and move on to step 2. Determine if the statement is true or false. So let's go to our notepad real quick. And here's a quick note. If the statement is true, then the given value is a solution. If the statement is false, then the given value is not a solution. So let's take a look. 13 is less than 19. That's true. This is actually a true statement. And if we go to our notes, then it is a solution, right? 3 is a solution. Let's check off number 2. Now let's plug in and try for the second problem. We'll plug in 3 for x. You get 4 times 3 minus 10 is greater than 5. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 minus 10 is greater than 5. 2 is greater than 5. Well, is that a true statement? 2 is not greater than 5. This is a false statement. And if we remember from our notes, if it's a false statement, it is not a solution. Therefore, 3 is not a solution. Not a solution.